Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about a book or a set of books that you must read if you want to start your own business, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to have some motivation, and certain books that you must read as a healthcare professional, like if you're a pharmacist, M.Pharm, B.Pharm, PharmD, irrespective of your designation, you must read these books, you must go through these books, because your healthcare knowledge will definitely be increased by reading these books. So yeah, from the template and from the thumbnail you can see that it's related to some startups, business plans as well. So these are the books that I will strongly suggest you, and I have personally read few books out of them as well, so definitely I will be throwing lights upon the same. So the first book is by Peter Lynch on and John Rothschild on Learn to Earn. It is a really good book, and it's a comprehensive and a holistic review of what all things you must do in order to earn well, what are the steps in earning, how do you go ahead with your business plan. Then you have Innovation X, and this is a really good book by Adam Richardson, and it's basically, see from the here front page only, you can see why a company's toughest problem, which is innovation, are its greatest advantage. How an innovation can differentiate you. Differentiated marketing is very important. Niche marketing and differentiated marketing is something that makes you a bit different from the others, right? So, and there's a lot of things included, like the executive summary, what is a company's description, goals, objectives, aim, what are the balance sheets, how do you perform STP, segmentation, targeting, positioning, how do you set a pricing for a product, what are the different values, beliefs, wants, desires of the unmet and met needs of the population, what are the market size, market trends, market analysis, what do you mean by competitive analysis, what do you mean by competitive edge, and the different sales plan, marketing plan, about the different kinds of promotional techniques and the different kinds of operations involved. So all these things are also included in different books. So here you can see Business Plan in a Day by Rhonda Abrams, and again, why business, what business should I start by Rhonda Abrams. So this is a really good book, and you must read. It's one of the best sellers for MSMEs and different kinds of small business operations, and it discovers like the different set of goals. Like if you're confused that you want, if you're determined that हाँ मुझे business करना है, but if you're confused which field you want to do, how to progress with the same, this book will give you a clear idea. And then you have the Indian pharmaceutical industry. This is again a really good book. You must read this book. So you can take a screenshot of these books and do have a glimpse of the same. Then you have Principles of Pharmaceutical Marketing by Mackie Smith. So this book is really good book because it gives you a detailed idea about what are the different, whenever a company has a product launch strategy, what all factors it considers, what are different kinds of, for the future scopes for those companies, and how does a company go ahead with its product line, depth, extension, product width, and all those things. And then you have, if you are if you are a healthcare professional, you must go through the STG, that is the Standard Treatment Guidelines by Walter Clover. So this is a really good publication that you must read, and because it describes the rational use of medications, and you must know about the dosage regime, the rational use of medications. Then you must go through certain by JP publications. Raghavendra Bhatt has written this particular book, Short and Long Cases in Medicines. So this is a very good book where you have cardiovascular, neurological, nephrological, pulmonary, endocrine, different kinds of systems, GIT, and the cases related to those systems. Like suppose if there are live cases or case study based. So it will open up your mind that if a person is suffering from this at this age, at this infection, this is combination drug interaction, what are the different kinds of synergistic or antagonistic effect, and then finally short protocols in pharmacology and drug discovery. So this is a really good book where you have a lot of good protocols given, because whenever we perform experimental studies, if you're a core researcher, you need to perform experimental studies. So there are a lot of different protocols involved in this book, right from your staining to your biological techniques to your molecular, genomics, biochemical, hemodynamic, lot of protocols there. So you can just in vitro protocols, you can just go through the same. So that's it for today's video. It was just to give you an idea and a glimpse of different books that you must read, because I have read these books. So I would personally recommend you to go through this book so that you get a more detailed view of the same. Thank you so much for watching the video.